The first thing that you will want to do is to install the Google Keyboard on your device. You can do that by starting in the Play Store and then search for GBoard. And we want to look for GBoard, the Google Keyboard. Click on Install, and it'll download and install on your device. Once it installs, you'll want to open it, and then we can enable it in Settings. And we're going to choose GBoard, and we're going to change our default keyboard to GBoard. The Google Keyboard adds functions like voice recognition, and it also has a superior numeric only keyboard, which you can get to the alphanumeric keyboard by pushing the space bar. So click the back button here. There's several preferences in here. I like to turn on the number row, and then I also like to turn on long press for symbols down here. If you turn on long press for symbols, the Google Keyboard will allow you to long press to get a question mark, which is useful as a quick shortcut to insert a description after a code. So a bunch of other changes. You can change the height of the keyboard, the colors, all kinds of stuff. But those are the things that we primarily need. Thank you much. I'll see you in the next video.